Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix lag on Capcut PC. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go here into your Capcut PC. Then click on the three dots right over here. Then it will open up the preview option for you. You just need to go to the preview and select the best performance. Alright. After that, if you are selected to any of the video, just unselect the video or text or anything by clicking on the gray timeline, and this will open up the modify option for you. Alright, so just click on the modify, and then you need to go to the performance tab, and from here you need to select the proxy, and from the proxy you need to select 540p or the lower resolution you have on your Capcut PC. So I have 540p, I will select that and then click on the save. So this will bring you to the fact that now your Capcut PC version will run your video as 540p, which is lower resolution, so that your PC can easily handle the playbacks. Alright, but if you just go to the export, it will not affect. Okay, so you will get a lower resolution playback, but onto the export option you will get the full resolution. So don't worry about your resolution. I think these two steps will easily solve your problem. But if these two steps they don't solve your problem, what you need to do, you need to close the application, then go to the settings. Alright, from here you need to delete the cache size. Okay, just hit on the delete button and click OK, and it will take some time to remove the cache for you, and then click on the save. And this also, if the previous two steps doesn't work for you, just go with the last step I have shown you. So that's how you can easily fix Capcut lag and get smooth video playback on PC. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.